Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. So this week's nail tutorial, I have thought of a good one for you guys. As you see in the thumbnail and what I wrote, it is Zodiac Constellations. Yes, you heard me, like what? But I'm going to do some Zodiac constellations on my nails and show you how awesome they are. So before I get started and you continue watching, like always, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and give this YouTube video a like. Give this YouTube video a like if you like zodiac signs and you think all that is pretty interesting and pretty cool. Go ahead and give me a like, and also share this video, and if you do, thank you. And yeah, so let's get started with this video. Hello guys, I'm totally excited to do these nails. It's pretty different and cool, and I like different. So let's jump in and go ahead and prep your nails however you want them to be prepped, and put your base coat on that you want. So then you want to apply 2 coats of a black nail polish of your choice. There's millions of black nail polish, but apply 2 coats of a black nail polish. Okay, so after you apply 2 coats of black nail polish, then you want to apply a black holographic glitter on top of that. Just 1 coat, because you want too much, but you want to apply at least 1 coat of a black holographic glitter. And this one also that I used also have like chunks of gold flecks in it. So try not to, if you use the one I used, try not to get the gold flecks in, but it's okay if you do. But use a black holographic glitter on top of that. Just 1 coat. Once you put the holographic glitter, the black holographic glitter on top, then you want to use this, I don't know what to call it, like iridescent nail polish that I got from Salon Perfect. So this color looks pink, and the bottle is pink. Don't be scared, but I'm going to apply that on top of the black holographic glitter. It's pink, but when you apply it on the nail, as you see, it only transfers that blue and pink, deeper pink purple tint that you see when you look at it. So when you apply it on the top of the black, it just leaves the blue and the purple tint shift look. So don't be scared. Just apply that on top of the black holographic nail polish that you have done before. So once you have that, your nails are prepped to put these constellations on your nails. So you want to use a white nail polish or a white paint, acrylic paint. It doesn't matter which one. This time I just used a white nail polish, but you can use the white paint. Same difference. So you want to use a small dotting tool. And then you want to pick out whichever zodiac constellations that you want to put on your nails. So the ones that I picked for the constellations that put on my nails is my brother's and sister and mine zodiac signs, and then I did a free one on my pinky. So I just picked one. So on my index finger I did a Libra, which is my sister's sign. Then on my middle finger I did my older brother's sign, which is Taurus. On my ring finger I did my other brother's sign, which is a Capricorn. I did my sign, which is Pisces, on my thumb, and I did the free one on my pinky, which I did Cancer. If I said one of your zodiac signs, go ahead and give me a like down below, and while I'm at it, comment down below which zodiac sign do you have. I really would like to know. Comment down below. So then you make the dots with the white for each zodiac sign, and I did each nail one at a time. So I made the dots on the nails first, and then I drew the lines that connect the dots. And sometimes I had to go back over the dots to make it more pronounced and defined, because sometimes the lines like blurred them out. So yeah, that's what I did for each constellation. To do each one, you can pick whichever zodiac constellation you want, but I used my brother, sister, and my constellation in the free one. So yeah. Frustrated for you because it was a little wet for me, but if you really made it through it and pulled through, yeah, you're pretty much done with this zodiac constellation nails. But all you have to do is seal everything in. Like, if you don't know, it's my favorite part. It's my favorite part. So use your favorite top coat, but I use my favorite, which is the Pro Effects Quick Dry Hot Gloss Top Coat. So yeah, I put that on every nail. Once you've sealed everything in, you are done with your zodiac constellation nails. And yeah, give your back a pat. Give yourself a round of applause. You have done it. Yes. So guys, what do you think about these zodiac constellation nails? I thought it was awesome. It was beginning to be a little difficult when I was doing it, but I pulled through and I did it, and I'm excited I did it, and I'm glad I made it through it. If you use one of your zodiac signs, go ahead and give me a like, and also subscribe to my channel regardless. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and also share it, please. Thank you so much, so much. And yeah, peace.